to redo my hair because it's a mess. What is up, everybody? My name is Janita and I got what you need, baby. So thanks so much for tuning in today. We are going to really be redoing my hair. So this is just a high bun ponytail, well, a high bun with braiding hair tutorial, you know, with my natural hair. If you're interested in that, stay tuned. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and thanks so much for watching. Child, let me take out these pins first of all. I do plan on washing my hair in about a day or two, but I know that tomorrow I'm gonna have to go to the post office to pick up a package, so it's like I might as well do my hair today. We'll do my hair right now and also film it. So yeah, I feel like a summer, I feel like a high ponytail is like, or just a slick down ponytail, whatever, with fake hair is like the, whatchamacallit, it's just a nice protective style for the summer. You see this thing, I don't know if y'all noticed my past videos when I was like, when it was like a low slick bun, it was actually kind of stiff. So that's why I was like, honey, we're just gonna put in a bun from now on. So we're gonna do a high bun with this. So this hair, got it from the beauty supply store. This is the Kinky Twist braiding hair. And yeah, it's just the Kinky Twist braiding hair. I asked for Marley hair, but he gave me this. But it's like, whatever, I'll live. And there's some matting in here already, but whatever. Anyways, so let me take this off. You see, the last time my hair was done, my mama did it. But we're gonna try to do our hair ourselves because we're big girls now. We're a big girl now, so we gotta do our hair ourselves. Press-ons have been falling off, and honestly, I can't do my hair with nails on either, because I've noticed that whenever I did do my hair, like this kind of ponytail with my press-ons would just slide off while I'm doing my hair because of the oils. So that's why I only have one nail left, but I'm going to the salon. I'm gonna get them done. Because I know my hair needs that moisture. We're gonna put this water. Not put this water, but we're gonna spray this water onto the middle of my hair. Since my hair is already pretty much formed, it should be easy to like redo it, to be honest. I look crazy as wet right now. This is not cute. This is the ECOSTYLER black castor oil and flaxseed oil gel. Taking a whole bunch, and I might need more, we'll see. Gonna start placing it on my hair. See, this is another reason why it's like I can't even do my hair with nails on. Like, it snags. Like, this causes hair damage, to be honest. So I'm glad all the other nails are gone, to be honest. Shoot. Because nails get in the way. I don't know how y'all be on here with natural hair with these nails on, honey. Child. That's a recipe for damage and split ends, and we don't need that. I don't need that. Shoot. Put it on to make them want to marry me. Put it on to make them want to marry me. Since my hair is so thick, it's so thick, I like split it in the middle, and I do like two ponytails and I put them together. But actually, ooh, this is actually working decently right now. I think I'm gonna try doing it this way. I'll see the back of that, right? Ugh, I hate when that happens. See, that's why I be like, ooh, let me just get two, put them together. But I'm just doing a bun, so no one's really gonna see it, you know, because honestly, this ain't cute. This has a rubber band. I just, you know, not attach, but I put a rubber band through it and tied it around. So whenever I do this, I have to make sure when I'm like tying it around my real hair, it has to fall this way so it can look like this, you know, so you don't see my hair Let me take a portion. Yeah, just, I guess this portion. Ooh, that was easy. Oh, that area is not matted. How? Kimia, that's Kelsey Priest. Pretty much twist it. You see? Twist. I think I'm gonna twist it this way. Oh, that's cute. Ooh. Put it on to make them want to marry me. Yeah. Put it on to make them want to marry me. Okay, then take this, wrap it around, baby. Oh God, and it's shaped weird. Isn't that? I do. Yeah, this is a little. You see how high this is? This is not. No. No, this is not it. Edge Booster Strong Water Based Pomade. It's lemon. Okay, edge brush. Do these edges real quick. I got a tutorial already on my YouTube channel from 2-3 months ago. I will put it above in the cards. Yes. I hope and pray that my edges come out how it did yesterday. I can't see. I'm blinded by the lights. I'm blinded. Grimy. Okay, so cut it up. Okay, cut it in. Swoop, swoop. Swoop it up. I'm gonna make them wanna marry me. Ew. Put it on to make them wanna marry me. Oh shoot, sorry. But ooh, damn. Oh, and it's 90 degrees. So if my hair is curling up really quick, it means because it's 90 degrees. It's been a little over 20 minutes, definitely. So we'll see what this looks like. We'll see my edges and everything else. Ooh, that's what it looks like. Ooh, that's what it looks like. See? Yeah, I had to fix it. That did not look right before. Shoot. Anywho, that's how I do my buns with edges, you know. My high ponytail, well, my high buns. So that's how I do my high buns with my edges done. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, this little high bun tutorial, a nice protective style for the summer. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Deuces.